everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I am personally fond of starters, especially made with chicken, and today I am going to show you all a very interesting recipe. This is walnut chicken tenders. Now we are going to prepare this special crust made with golden and crunchy California walnuts to coat the chicken tenders, and this will make the outer layer very crispy and nice. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. So first we are going to marinate the chicken pieces. For this recipe I've taken about 350 grams of fresh chicken tenders. Make sure you wash it nice and clean. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, the juice of half lemon, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste. Next add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now mix everything till the chicken pieces are coated nicely in this marinade. So you can see the chicken pieces are coated beautifully in this marinade. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. So the chicken will absorb all the flavors. To prepare the walnut crumb, to the mixer jar, add 1 slice of bread that's been chopped. Add half cup of walnuts, 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon pepper, and about half teaspoon Italian seasoning. Now pulse everything a few times till you get a nice coarse crumbly mixture. California walnuts are grown in the fertile soil and mild climate found in the Central Valley of California, and that ensures the best quality walnuts that are pure gold in color and sun ripened for perfection. So there is your walnut crumble. That's going to be the coating on the chicken pieces. That's going to make the chicken tenders nice and crispy. So next we're going to make our slurry. To a bowl, add quarter cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour, quarter cup corn flour. Just add a little water and mix everything well till you get a nice slurry. Just make sure the slurry is not too thick or too runny. So this is a nice consistency. Now that we have all the elements ready, let's start making the chicken tenders. Take the marinated chicken piece, dip it into the slurry, make sure it's completely coated. Let all the excess slurry drip down. Place the chicken piece on the walnut crumb and coat it nicely on all sides. A handful of these golden and responsibly grown California walnuts offers 2.5 grams plant-based omega-3, ALA, 4 grams protein and 2 grams fiber. Prepare all the chicken tenders in the same manner and keep it aside. The next step is to fry them. To a nice wide pan, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is nice and hot, maintain the flame on a medium. Gently drop the tenders into the hot oil. Fry them till they've turned to a nice golden brown color. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. So now you can see the chicken tenders have turned to a beautiful golden brown color. Remove them from the hot oil and you can serve them nice and hot immediately with all your favorite dips. This is a wonderful finger food and a great snack or party snack that you can enjoy with your family and friends. You can make these for get-togethers, for parties, for any occasion. Wow, the walnut chicken tenders look absolutely amazing and so crunchy on the outside. Now make sure you serve it nice and hot. Now I've served it with 3 different types of dips. So make sure you try them, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.